Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to move over your expense tracker into your budget bundle. That way you don't have to start completely over on your budget bundle if you don't want to. So first of all, you have the expense tracker here and you have a validation. This is a list for your categories and your months up here. We're going to ignore that after we get it moved over. Anyways, we're going to go over here to the budget bundle. And we need to do some cleaning up on something real quick, just something that will make this transition quicker and easier for you. So first of all, you want to go to each page and go to the review tab, and you're going to unprotect every sheet. I know this is kind of annoying and I apologize, but I have to do this. It'll make it easier in the long run. Calendar's not protected. So as you can see, I'm just clicking on each different worksheet, and under the review tab up here, you're going to just click unprotect. The meal planner and the grocery list and the cash envelope teller cards are not protected either. So just click your arrow and go back to the beginning here. And then you're going to go up here to formulas, and then here to name manager. So as you can see, we have a lot of names here. We're going to scroll down to the very bottom. And then you're going to hold your shift key down on your keyboard and you're going to click the very last one. And that should select all of them. Make sure all of them are selected. Then you go up here to the delete tab and just click OK. And that will clear out that name manager. Alright, so now you can go back. We're going to actually split our screen. So if you don't know how to do that on a PC, all you have to do is click your mouse and hold it down, and you're going to drag it over here to the side, and then we're going to pull up the expense tracker. And what that does is splits your screen, like I said. Alright, so now you have the expense tracker, and you're going to want to click both of these worksheets. So how you do that is hold down your control button on your keyboard, making sure one of them is selected at the beginning already, and then you're going to hold on your control on your keyboard and click the other one. And as you can see now, both of them are highlighted. So from here, you are going to right click anywhere on those two buttons, and you're going to move or copy. So first of all, we're going to change it to a different book. We are changing it to the budget bundle. Yours might be named a little differently at this point. So just click the one that you're wanting to move it to. I am putting my expense trackers before my monthly review, after my paycheck trackers. And you want to make sure to hit create a copy. Okay. And then you just maximize your bundle back up, and here both of them are. Now on this validation, what you want to do is go back in and hide it. You don't want to mess with that. You don't want to accidentally delete it or anything, because it will then delete all of your categories and your months and everything. So just hide it and get it out of the way. And then what you want to do, now that that is in there, how you like it, you're just going to go back up to the review tab, and you're going to protect everything and just click OK. Like I said before, this just helps make sure that your formulas are locked so nothing gets deleted accidentally. That can cause a big mess. And as a reminder, the calendar is not protected just because there are no formulas in that, so you don't have to worry with that. And as well as the meal planner and the grocery list and the cash envelope teller card. There are no formulas in those, so those are not protected either. Okay, and that is it. So that shows you how you can get your expense tracker over in your bundle so you can use it every month. Thanks, guys.